Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. Today's video is a dress inspired by Reem Acra from the summer 2019 collection. You gotta bear with me in this video. It's quite complex for me to explain it as concise as possible because we want these videos to be short but good. I identified three pieces on the dress. So you had the bodice, the middle piece, which is the skirt, and the lower part of the skirt. So the bodice, I saw that it was a corset like. So what I did is I looked for a pattern that was close to what the original dress was, and that was from the Burda of March 2010, pattern number 117. So it is this bodice right here. The second part was a skirt that had pleats in it. So I identified box pleats. What I did was I measured out my waist. I decided how many pleats I wanted and the distance between each pleat, the length that I wanted the skirt to be. And then the lower part, it needed to be gathered. I believe the box pleat was a total length of 2 meters and 10 centimeters. But I did the same for the gathering, but for the gathering I did need more. And the second step that I did was I serged everything first and then I put it together. My dress is not perfect, but listen here. There's no shame in our game. We're honest around here. And so I would say that my dress isn't completely finished, but it's good enough for the video. And I do have to insert the invisible zipper again because I took it out about 7 times, I think. It wasn't invisible, so I needed to do it over. And now that it's in, I can't breathe. But I'll show you. So this is the top part, which is the corset part. It got these things in it. So I'm going to insert the name right there so you could see. And so I made tunnels in order to be able to put them in. And I did do lining for the bodice. I still have to do lining for the skirt. Okay, so that is the bodice, and then there's the box pleat. So as you can see here, these are the box pleat. They're supposed to be 5 centimeters, but a few are off. And then the last part is the gathering right there. That satin isn't my favorite fabric. First of all, because this quality satin isn't like the most expensive, because I bought it for €2 per meter, and so it shows in the quality. The lining is even more expensive because it does get snagged. It just gets snagged here and there. Hi you guys, so this is my dress. This is my version of the Reem Acra dress, and it's not done. I definitely have to do some tweaks because you can definitely see the lining coming out, and in the back it gets worse, so I have to fix that. Like I said before, I have to fix my invisible zipper because it's not invisible, so I definitely have to fix it. And I have some trouble zipping it up. And I still have to line my, I have to line my skirt, and I have to hem my my dress. And I bought special shoes for this dress. You guys. These are the shoes. They are a beauty, I'm telling you. So they're from the brand Showcase. I bought them on Zalando and they were €23. let me get on the stool. I have a slightly different stool because my room is getting a makeover and I'm busy packing. Whoa. So this is the complete outfit. The shoes, the dress, and me. And that's it, you guys. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid, comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And have a great day. Bye.